Hello, hello. Today is Wednesday, June 24th, day 3. Our language objective for today is I can join our CS First class and start to code my name using Google Classroom, support videos, and the teacher example. If you take a peek at our agenda, it says watch the introduction to CS First. That's this. Join the CS First class and then animate your name. So this is a little different. So it's a different program than we've been using. It still is block coding. So when I talk about block coding, that's that same drag and drop coding that we've been using. And all the little codes kind of look like blocks. This is going to be how we start to introduce ourselves to one another and how we kind of figure out who we all are and where we're all at. I am going to start making changes to the course based on your surveys. So if you haven't yet turned that in, please do so. You'll start to see those changes as early as tomorrow. So that's going to be based on what we need as a class. So here is our Google Classroom assignment. Yes, you're seeing it in edit mode. I want to make sure, again, that you are not bombarded by all of this all at once. So we are animating our name and join the CS First class. So we're watching the video, this one. And then we're going to follow these instructions. So we're going to go to this website. I'll click it and I'll actually open it up for us. This website is also this link down here. So you don't have to copy and paste it as this here. You're going to click sign in the top right. Okay, you're going to sign in with Google. I am student. You're going to enter our class code. Our class code is this set right here, MFRB6Y. MFRB6Y, all lowercase. And then you can create a CS First account. And again, just use your Google account, use your school username, school password. That way there's no lost or forgotten passwords and you can keep working on it. So when I go in, I'll show you what it looks like. It looks really similar to Google Classroom. So when I click sign in, you're obviously, again, going to see my teacher end. But you'll click student. It'll ask you to sign in or sign up. I clicked mine, and here we are. It looks like Google Classroom. Crack the code, summer 2020. I'll click in. And our first assignment is right here, animated name. So you'll actually, when you click in, it'll pull up here. And the way this works is it tells you exactly how many steps there are. So animate the name, answer a survey, wrap up. So when I click start, here it comes in. And then it has an introduction video here. Go ahead and watch that, please do. Okay. And then it'll tell you exactly how to actually start your project. So if you logged in like you were supposed to, it will automatically create a Scratch account for you so that you can save all of your animations and share them out. As we scroll down a little bit, there are a whole bunch of other videos that they actually reference on how to make them do different things. So there's right here still the activity, there's the survey, there's the wrap up. So go through this whole process. I went ahead and I chose a few different things to make mine work, but you'll watch the ones that you are interested in. Now, there are a few requirements for it, and I will happily share those with you in a second. Okay. But I wanted to also show you what my final name project looked like, just so you have an idea of kind of what we're looking for. So, loading. I have my name at the top as the title. I explain my animations, and then here is my actual start. So then it tells you exactly what to do. So many colors, hit any key. So as I do that, things work, it goes through. I click on different things. They do different things. And then when you actually finish your project, you're gonna share that link with us back in Google Classroom. So this is actually like a question assignment for you to put yours back in here. That way we can see your projects. Oh, nope, I take that back. I'm sorry, I lied. You don't have to share your project this way. You are going to be sharing them tomorrow though. So you have all day today to code and you can finish up tomorrow morning if you need to. But what we are looking for are the following things. So what should I include? Your name, please and thank you. Okay. If you are somebody who has a long name and you like it shortened, or if you're somebody who goes by their middle name instead of their first name, go ahead and use that name, whatever name you are preferred to be called. This does not include nicknames, obviously. I don't need to see any like super fresh DJ 22. Okay. Give me your name. 3 things about you. So it could be anything about color, sport, favorite colors, hobbies, sports, animals, activities, pets, family members, anything. And then some sort of background. So that's what I need you to physically include. Those are your actors. And then what should you code? So you should have at least one sound, make at least one thing move on a click, and make at least one thing change when you hit a specific key. So it could be any key, it could be the up arrow, it could be the space bar. You have the freedom to choose. So if I were to go back to Code Studio, back to CS Code, CS First, you can see, oh, okay, so here's how I make it move. That's a bounce. Here's how I make it play a beat or play music or grow and shrink. Okay, all those options are there for you to explore. Have fun with it. Be creative. I hope your name can show me about you and tell me about you. If you have any questions, you guys know how to get a hold of me.